Alright, good day guys. It is Sunday, May 17th, 2026, 2:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And this is an historical video because this is the last time that we are going to be seeing the original Fairview Bus Terminal, Fairview Bus Terminus. And I decided to give you guys one last look while I'm having one last look. Of course, this is going to be replaced by the new Fairview Bus Terminus, which is not far from here, and I just filmed a video of that, but we're going to look inside here again. And all these bus stops here are going to be going to the new terminus. Some of these bus lines are actually going to be disappearing, and we'll go inside in a moment. Here, there's the Fairview shopping center over there, Fairview-Pointe-Claire, and we'll go inside here in a minute. For you ceiling fan fans, there's also a ceiling fan or two in there as well to check out. So yeah, again, a lot of these bus stops, a lot of these bus lines will be abolished, changed and whatnot. Here's another view from the side before we go in. My personal memory here, my first memory coming to Fairview Terminus was back in 2005. When I first started exploring Montreal, the West Island, sort of getting out of my local area. Let's go inside here and check it out. There's your sign telling you it's closing. And I remember there was a plaque here for the longest time from 1997 or 1998. I think it was right here, or maybe over here. So yeah, so there was a nice article as well in the Montreal Gazette recently talking about this terminus. You can see there the original STCUM signage. Look at that, authentic STCUM signage. And yeah, we got some ceiling fans as well here for you ceiling fan fans. I don't know what they're going to do with these. Be nice if they kept them for, you know, collectors of ceiling fans. I know there's quite a few out there that watch my channel. And this terminus has gone through pretty much a few changes over the years. I think there at one point there was like a wall here, a little wall. You can tell just by looking, it's definitely outlived its age here. We got that old style tin roof. Another view here of that ceiling fan. So it's definitely lived its life, and it was due for a change, I guess. So they're going to be getting that change now. And by the way, the new terminus is going to have a wooden roof, wooden interior, new windows and everything. There's an old exit sign as well. So there you go. Farewell to the original Fairview Bus Terminus. And full of memories here. And if you're wondering what they're going to do with this place, well, apparently they're going to demolish it and turn it into a parking lot extension. And you know what? I was saying a couple of times now in some previous videos that they should turn this place into a green space, a little park or something. But no, they're turning it into a dirty parking lot. This here was sort of a relatively new thing. These came out within the last decade or so. These little booths here, these customer service booths. We have an old style heater up here as well. So yeah, definitely did its part in West Island transit history. So, and look at that, we got a payphone here as well, authentic payphone. So farewell to the Fairview Bus Terminal. Yeah, then the old signage there as well, the old vent, STCUM signage. So you can tell this terminus goes way back. So farewell Fairview Bus Terminus, and thanks for the memories. Yeah, man. Yeah, there we go.